In this video, we will be seeing insert into command of SQL, that is structured query language. So insert into command is used for adding data to the table present in database. So if you have created a table in database and if you want to add or insert data into that table, then you can use insert into command of SQL. So we can say it is used for adding or inserting data to table in SQL in database. So the syntax for using this command is insert into keyword followed by the table name, and into which columns you want to insert data, that column names you will be mentioning in parenthesis followed by the values keyword, and in parenthesis you will be giving values to be inserted into the columns and semicolon. So this is how you can insert data into table. Suppose there is a table called student with ID and name as the columns in it. So I can insert into that table, that is insert into student. I want to enter into ID and name column values as 1 for ID, and for name I want to give Ram. So all the text data must be enclosed in single quotations and the numeric data is given as it is. So if you have a table student with ID and name as columns, then you can add data to it in this manner. So same way, you can replace the table name and column names to add data to your own tables which you have created. So insert into command is used for inserting data into the table present in the database. So insert into table name followed by the column names in parenthesis. Values keyword compulsory you should write as it is, then followed by values to be entered into the columns which you have mentioned here, and semicolon. So now let's see it practically. So in the SQL command line, I have created a table student with ID and name as columns. So now I can insert into this table, insert into student. The table name you can see is student. I am entering ID and name, and values. I want to give the same values which we have given there, like this. One row created. So upon successful execution of this command, you get the result as one row created. And to check the table's data, you can use select query or select command of SQL, which gives you or displays the table's data. So because I have given here asterisk symbol, all the columns of table will be selected. So you can see here we have created the table using create table command with column names as ID and name and table name as student. So this is the description of table, internal description, and we have used here insert into command to add data. So same way we can insert another row with different values, like here I am giving 2 and Sam. So this will create another row which we can see using again the select query. So this way insert into command of SQL is used on database, and we will be seeing this command in detail with different and more examples in the coming videos. So please do subscribe the channel for more information on SQL and its commands and also other programming languages.